Welcome back to the Best Top 10. Today, we are sharing the top 10 new Korean dramas you can watch right now on Amazon Prime Video, from thrilling crime stories to heartwarming romances. Let's jump into your next K-drama obsession. 10. The Divorce Insurance. What if marriage came with insurance? That's the unique hook of this drama. The Divorce Insurance imagines a world where couples can take out insurance policies to protect themselves from divorce fallout. A brilliant actuary forms a dream team to design this concept, but they're all dealing with their own messy relationships. Through heartwarming and sometimes hilarious cases, the drama explores the nature of love, trust, and modern relationships. The Divorce Insurance stars Lee Dong-wook, Lee Joo-bin, Lee Kwang-soo, and Lee Da-hee, was released in 2025, and has 12 episodes. It has a clever concept, emotional depth, and a great ensemble cast. 9. Newtopia. Brace yourself, this one's full of action, zombies, and emotional stakes. In Newtopia, a zombie outbreak strikes Seoul during a soldier's service. As chaos spreads, he and his girlfriend, an engineer, struggle to find each other in the infected city. This isn't just about zombies, it's about love, survival, and sacrifice. Their journey through the city is packed with suspense, danger, and emotional twists that will leave you breathless. Newtopia stars Park Young-min and Ji-soo, was released in 2025, and has 8 episodes. It's a perfect mix of horror, romance, and thriller with top-notch visuals and a gripping plot. 8. Iron Family. Get ready for a deeply emotional story of love, regret, and redemption. Iron Family tells the story of a woman who loses her eyesight after a life-altering event. Just when she thinks she's moved on, her ex, the one she blames for her tragedy, reappears in her life. The drama explores how love can survive betrayal, and how healing often comes from facing the past. With 36 episodes, this is a slow-burn drama with intense character development and emotional depth. You'll cry, reflect, and maybe even believe in second chances again. A deeply moving family drama with excellent acting and emotional storytelling. 7. Queen of Divorce. Courtroom drama fans, this one's a powerhouse. Queen of Divorce follows a woman who was betrayed by her cheating husband. But instead of falling apart, she builds herself back up and starts leading a legal team that helps others go through divorce and take down adulterers and corrupt lawyers along the way. With strong themes of justice, empowerment, and healing, the drama balances emotional stories with gripping legal battles. Lee Ji-ah gives a commanding performance as the lead who isn't afraid to fight for what's right. A drama with strong women, real-life drama, and legal showdowns all in one sharp, stylish package. 6. Dreaming of a Freaking Fairy Tale. This romantic comedy will hit home for fans of classic fairy tales told with a modern edge. In Dreaming of a Freaking Fairy Tale, a hopeless romantic working for a cynical CEO starts off completely misunderstood. She dreams of being swept off her feet, while he thinks love is a distraction. But when their paths continue to cross, their differences become their greatest strength. The result is a slow-burn romance full of playful banter, sweet surprises, and emotional growth. The drama is full of visual charm and heartfelt moments that will make you laugh and swoon in equal measure. A drama with a breezy and funny romance with relatable characters and great chemistry. 5. No Gain, No Love. Need a feel-good rom-com with a twist of social satire? This one's for you. No Gain, No Love tells the story of a career-driven woman who faces a ridiculous ultimatum: marry or lose her chance at promotion. Her solution: strike a fake marriage deal with a sweet, down-to-earth convenience store clerk. What starts off as a business partnership for mutual profit becomes a chaotic love story filled with misunderstandings, heartfelt moments, and hilarious cultural commentary on workplace expectations and marriage pressure in Korean society. The contrast between her ambition and his simplicity makes for some great chemistry. A funny, smart take on modern love with standout performances and lots of heart. 4. Night Flower. Get ready for a one-of-a-kind historical action comedy with a strong feminist core. Night Flower centers on a noble widow who appears quiet and grieving during the day, but becomes a secret vigilante at night. She scales rooftops, fights injustice, and protects the powerless while hiding her double identity. This bold and layered female lead challenges the norms of a restrictive society while providing comic relief and thrilling action. The blend of drama, humor, and social commentary makes this more than your typical sejuk. Add in amazing performances from Lee Ha-ni, Lee Yong-won, and Lee Ki-woo, and you've got a drama that's both fun and meaningful. A genre-bending drama that empowers its female lead while delivering action and heart. 3. The Tale of Lady OK. If you love palace politics and secrets behind royal walls, then The Tale of Lady OK is a must-watch. This historical drama follows a mysterious and cunning woman who infiltrates the Joseon royal court with an entirely fabricated identity. She's smart, elegant, and unshakably composed, the kind of character who uses wit rather than brute strength to climb the social ladder. But the deeper she gets into palace affairs, the more dangerous her lies become. Will her past catch up with her? If you enjoyed complex period dramas like The Red Sleeve or Mr. Sunshine, the story of deceit, ambition, and secret love will hit the spot. Intrigue, hidden identity, and a bold heroine all wrapped in gorgeous historical visuals. 2. Marry My Husband. Enter the world of Marry My Husband, a mix of drama and fantasy. It's about a married couple, starring Park Min-young, who undergoes a big change to play the lead. The story follows her as a cancer patient discovering her husband's betrayal, leading to a heated argument and a tragic murder. But here's the twist: she wakes up realizing she has traveled back 10 years in time. Get ready for a heartfelt journey as love unfolds in unexpected ways across different moments. Marry My Husband is a must-watch Korean drama of 2024. 1. Good Boy. Let's kick things off with Good Boy, a fresh action thriller that brings together sports, crime, and emotional depth. In this drama, the government forms a special crime-fighting unit made up of former athletes who use their physical skills to catch dangerous criminals and serve justice in ways no one else can. Each team member has their own backstory of hardship and ambition, adding layers to the action. But it's not all fight scenes. There's romance brewing among teammates, friendships forming, and heartbreaking personal battles to overcome. With Park Bo-gum playing a morally driven lead and Kim So-hyun adding emotional resonance, this drama blends gritty realism with heartfelt moments. A rare mix of crime-solving and romance, driven by a compelling cast and slick direction. And that's it for today's list of the top 12 new Korean dramas on Amazon Prime Video. From thrilling action and emotional journeys to laugh-out-loud romances, there's something on this list for every K-drama fan. So, which one are you most excited to watch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Best Top 10, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest K-drama updates and recommendations.